Hi, this is Yolanda Vanveen from vanveenbulbs.com. I'm here today to show you how to get rid of mites from your plants. So you'll need the following: a plant that has mites. You can use any type of oil. You can have vegetable oil or olive oil or any other oil that you have in your cupboards. You can also try using any type of a liquid soap. That usually works really well at removing mites as well. Or others have even tried different types of spices like cinnamon mixed with water. It seems to work really well. Lavender, thyme, many other types of herbs people have tried as well. And then you'll need a spray bottle so that you can mix your oil with your water and then spray your plant. So the first thing that you need to do is always spray your plant with a hose first. I have found by just hosing your plants down, if it's an inside plant, put it in the shower. If you've got mites, just put your plant in the shower and just hose it down, get it watered down, and let all the water remove as many of the mites as possible. If you do this 3 times and there's still mites, then you want to start by going to the next step. And that's step number 2. Take your spray bottle and open it up. And then the step 3 would be put half oil, half water together in a spray bottle. And sometimes even 1/3 to 2/3 water will work. You don't have to have a lot of oil. It's just enough that when it covers the mites, it will kill the mite because they suffocate. So once you've got it mixed in, the 4th step is shaking it. So you want to make sure that the water and the oil is mixed together, and if it stands for any period of time, it will separate. But now it is mixed. So the 5th step is put your top back on and shake it up, make sure it stays shaked, and then just spray the plant that has mites down. You can mix detergent, you can mix spices. Oil works really well because it kills the mites. They suffocate, and it's all organic. It doesn't hurt the plant. And you can turn around, let it dry, and you'll find if you keep spraying it with oil, eventually the mites will be gone. And you can turn around and then flush it with water again, and because the oil will sit on the leaves. It doesn't seem to hurt it, though, and it seems to work really well, and it's a great organic alternative. And that's that. I'm Yolanda Vanveen, and that's how to remove mites from plants.